It appears that it's late, but it's really not that late. It's probably 7:30, but we are at Hillbilly Wizards picking up a window for the Suburban, which you guys can't see anything, so I'm just gonna do my thing, get a window here. Huge shout out to John. There it is. And we're gonna be back in business.
Cold ride without that, man.
Definitely, my fingers are froze. That's why I was sitting in there for a minute trying to warm up. Man. Okay, so as I'm going ahead here and getting ready to head up to Rous Creek, I just want to say that safety is a big thing. Everyone in this video is okay. There might be a couple bruises, but safety equipment is key. And again, you'll see it here in the video. Everybody is okay because safety was a priority. No, I would be the asshole if this was me. Right? I'd be an asshole. Well, boys and girls, we are back. Sorry I took a couple days off here. I was actually feeling a little under the weather. I actually am kind of annoyed that this guy parked this close to me, but there are bigger and better things in life to worry about than that. And obviously you guys know I don't give a crap about this thing. I just cared that I had to squeeze in there. So with that being said, I will see you guys at Rous Creek, and we are going to meet up with a couple of boys, couple of girls. And one of them was talking a little poo on the old bourbon here, and we're gonna show him up today. So that is the goal. That is what's on the agenda. I will see you guys in about an hour at Rous Creek. Well, in now. Out here at Rous Creek, I love when you see these Lexus and the Land Cruisers come out, but it is an absolute packed house already, and I'm actually pretty excited. I kind of want to really wheel the Suburban here and just have fun. Again, the last 2 times I've been here, I've been doing like recoveries and things like that, so I haven't really had like some time to wheel, so it's exciting to be back, to say the least. So with that being said, we're going to meet up with the rest of the guys, and we're going to get out here and hit some trails. All right, well, as I'm filming some of these vehicles here, I just want to let you guys know that safety is always key. And in this video, you're going to see why safety is very important, especially when you do some of the things you see here. Also, the next clip, when I jump in here, I'm having transfer case issues, but it is what it is. Let's just get ahead into the footage.
He said his transfer case is leaking. Shut up. No, it didn't. Something doesn't sound happy. It's still in. It's still in. That's a rock. You're gonna have to bump it up that big rock. Have to pull you. Can you come this way more? Can you come this way more? Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry, I'm in your way.
half-hour drive, and we're here at Hillbilly Wizards again for a drive shaft now, so we can get back out there. All right, thanks again, John. I really appreciate it. And we've got it back in business. We just tossed it in while we were here. He actually created me another drive shaft because I've got a spare with a good U-joint, and we're gonna go back out and hit the trails. Rowdy. Rowdy. This is Jotter's Way. So if you've ever been to Rous Creek, this is one heck of a hill climb. And because we're in Pennsylvania, the gravel is loose. It's obviously past fall, as you can tell by the trees and everything. So there's leaves on the ground. There's loose rocks for people, you know, climbing this and attempting it. There's dirt. There's just debris. There's all kinds of things all over this hill. And it definitely makes it to be a challenge. But we're guys. We're out here having fun. We're not going to be scared. We're going to do it, and we're going to try it. And there's plenty of different lines that you can take while you're up here. If you've ever been up on Rous Creek, Jotter's Way is no joke. And again, you've got to have a pretty built rig to be playing where we're playing.
Stop, Carl. Stop.
If I didn't drive my Suburban,
go forward.
I probably would have tried a little bit more, but I did drive an hour, and I was still feeling a little under the weather, so I wanted to make sure I could get home, especially after having 2 failed drive shafts and 2 broken drive shafts. So I just did the right thing, and I stayed at the bottom of the hill and watched everybody else play. But I did have fun, and I'm glad that I went.
Only vehicle I've ever seen do that.
What? Up the right?
A buggy, yeah. His tires are definitely warmed up now.
Yeah.
Well, you don't want to roll down on top of them? Use your insurance?
Stop it.
Hey, stop it.
I've done straight lines.
Heard that before. Never seen it though.
This is a pretty gnarly area. You have to have pretty built up rigs to go where you're going here. You're not just taking a stock Rubicon in here and you're climbing this hill. It's definitely an expert hill. I don't know too many people, as you'll see in the video, 2 people did make it up the hill. That is actually a first time that I've ever seen anything other than a buggy go up the hill, and it was super impressive. You got to also remember, we're in Pennsylvania, so as you can tell by the trees, all the leaves and everything are off the trees. There's debris everywhere. People obviously have been trying to climb this, so there's dirt, loose rock, everything, and this is a very, very difficult walk. So if you're not experienced, I'd advise you not to go up Jotter's Way. But if you are experienced or you have
I'm going for it next.
Send it.
No.
I've seen Open making up the right.
Problem is I drove it an hour and a half here.
No risk, no reward.
The sun is starting to set.
No risk, no reward. Easy way back. Except at the head.
Jason! Why aren't you recording it?
Go 2 fighting.
Throw me in neutral.
On the trigger? I can't go neutral on the transportation.
Normally this late in the day is where mistakes get made, or the fun happens. you say 16 inches? That's a weird measurement. That's a weird measurement.
I might be able to get it.
Make it.
I think you put your purse in my Suburban if you want to grab it and hit it with that.
What's going on?
What if I went up right and came left? I do.
Oh, video, what the fuck are you doing? Oh, you're not in
Smells like 87.
Alright, well, this is at the point where in the video where I have to just go ahead and say that guys being guys, out on the trails, obviously we like to push each other's buttons. We like to talk a little poo. We like to, I guess, motivate is a way to say, and sometimes things can go a little south. I've been in this situation before. I've been the guy that has kept going and going and going, and I get it. You get frustrated and you want to just be able to do it, so you keep trying and trying and trying, and then you get to a point where you're about to see another loose comment, I guess, comes out of my mouth. And you know, Jason, I apologize if I was the person that amped you up and led you up to this, but with that being said, once you hit a certain point, you go for a 10, and now this is what happens.
You want to let that Civic go by quick?
Stop it.
Oh, what are you doing?
If it stalls, he's fucked. You can't stop it.
Byron, you better move your Jeep.
Where the hell's he going?
Oh, hold on! Hold on! Keep your hands in! You okay?
You good?
Meteor!
Alright, right here, I am going to end this video. Sorry I don't have no cool outro or anything like that to film. However, tomorrow, well, I drive the Suburban the whole way home, an hour and 14 minutes. I get back up early in the morning and I go back out tomorrow, which you'll see in the next upload. Then we get to do some wheeling with the boys, Mike, Bobby, and myself. So, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, please put down in the description safety first, or glad everyone's okay, one of the two. And again, it is what it is. We like to have fun. We like to get out here, and you know what? It just is what it is. Accidents happen. As long as everyone's safe about it. Definitely should have moved that Jeep from the bottom before he attempted that, but you know, that's water under the bridge. It's already over with, and everybody lives to tell another tale. So with that being said, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. I have 3 videos coming out, so stay tuned.